The Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR camera with the 2-lens kit is a perfect choice for anyone ready to take their photography and video to the next level. You'll find the link to this product in the description below. This kit comes complete with a simple design, excellent image quality, and versatile lens options, giving you everything you need right out of the box. At its core is a 24.1 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor with Canon's DIGIC 4 Plus processor, delivering sharp, vibrant, and detailed images even in low light. Whether you're shooting portraits, landscapes, or travel moments, every shot comes out with clarity and depth. The included lenses make this bundle even more versatile. The EF18-55mm lens is perfect for everyday wide to mid-zoom shots, while the EF75-300mm telephoto lens lets you capture subjects from far away, like sports, wildlife, or events. Together, these two lenses cover almost every shooting situation you'll face. To keep your photos crisp, the Rebel T7 features a 9-point autofocus system, quick and accurate for moving subjects. For video creators, it records full HD 1080p video, letting you capture cinematic clips with smooth detail and natural color. Sharing is simple with built-in Wi-Fi and NFC. Instantly transfer your shots to your phone, share them online, or even use your device as a remote for creative angles. With comfortable ergonomics, a bright LCD screen, and continuous shooting at 3 frames per second, this camera is designed to keep up with your needs. Battery life is strong enough for hundreds of shots per charge, and since it's part of Canon's EOS system, you can always expand with more lenses and accessories. In short, the Canon EOS Rebel T7 with its 2-lens kit is reliable, versatile, and easy to use, perfect for beginners or anyone looking for affordable DSLR quality. You'll find the link to this product in the description below.